Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Shreen. Today we're going to be making a very simple meal for college and high school students that are living alone. We're going to be making mac and cheese and grilled cheese sandwiches, so stay tuned while we have a special guest coming today. Today we brought a special guest, Salma Haskett, who's going to be helping me cook. So Salma Haskett, if you didn't know, she's Rookie of the Year, 8th grade, and yeah, she's known how to cook. So now we're going to be putting in our packets, as we already put in, we still have one more. So now we're boiling the macaroni for 7 minutes and we're going to start preparing our grilled cheese. So now we're going to work on our grilled cheese. So you just take one slice of cheddar cheese. Very simple. After you finish preparing your grilled cheese, you put it on your grill for a couple of minutes till it's melted the way you want it. After you put the cheese in the macaroni, you get that consistency you want. After that, you mix it for a bit and you just start serving. Thank you for joining us with Cooking with Shreen.
Next time, we'll teach you how to make delicious ramen noodles.